Villa Los Agaves is an exclusive villa built considering the flow principles of Feng Shui, creating a peaceful space to feel integrated with the environment. Integrated to the bamboo roof pergola is a rainwater recovery system, which is filtered by a combination of gravel, volcanic rock, and charcoal, then accumulated in the tank of 10,000 liters capacity. The residence also has a soapy water treatment system within a biodidigester, which places them in a soakaway for filtration and purification. Once it is treated, the water is liberated to the underground.